Alright, looks like we're live. Okay, so today what I'm going to be working on is the Merchant Challenge on Kaggle. Don't really know a ton about it, so I guess we'll just jump in. So I guess I'll just start by reading the overview. Imagine being hungry in an unfamiliar part of town and getting restaurant recommendations served up based on your personal preferences at just the right moment. The recommendation comes with an attached discount from your credit card provider for a local place around the corner. Right now, Elo, one of the largest payment brands in Brazil, has built partnerships with merchants in order to offer promotions or discounts to cardholders. Alright, so it looks like we're trying to predict customer loyalty was the main takeaway I got out of there. So it looks like we're using root mean squared error. And then our prediction is this target number, it looks like. We could start with the starter kernels, but I think we'll just go straight at the data and we'll just start learning from that right away. So I already have a notebook up and I have the data downloaded. So if you're trying to follow along, go ahead and download that and unzip it, and we'll just go from there. So I'm going to start with pandas, and then I'll just start looking at the files because I know I've got quite a few here actually. Actually, let's look at the data dictionary. Columns. Merchant ID, merchant group ID, merchant category ID. A couple numbers we don't know anything about, and a category. Range of revenue, most recent purchases, sales lag, purchase lag, month lag, sales lag again, longer sales lag. Not really a ton going on here. That must be why there's only about 600 megs, I think it was. Let's see. Let's just start by opening up the train file. So pd read csv train.csv. See what that outputs. First active month, card ID, feature 1, feature 2, feature 3. Interesting. So let's load that in as train, and then we'll do test at the same time, just because why not? And then the first thing I'm interested in is, let's take a peek at this again. Let's just look at first active month and see what date ranges it's going through. First active month. All right. Let's do describe and see what that does. I honestly am not sure that will be anything interesting. No. Okay. Let's see if we can directly do min. Max. That looks like it might have worked. So we can say that our first day is 2011 in November, I think that is. And our most recent is 2018 in February. So we have 6 years worth. Let's maybe plot the distribution of those. So see if that's a growing number, if there's more later in the month, or what exactly that is. Hang on, I'm getting a text. All right. Yeah, so I'd say let's do a how about this? We can do number unique and unique. That should give us some counts. Oh no, it didn't. How about value counts? That worked. There we go. And then we can do, I always forget how this works. Let's do a pandas plot something. Dot plot, and then we give it an X and a Y. Maybe we'll just do it with matplotlib. I'm more comfortable with that. Or let's just see what it does. Need some inline plots. Let's see if that works. There we go. Doesn't have an X and a Y, or it doesn't have labels, but we can still use that potentially. Let's maybe put some axes on there though. That's kind of a bizarre shape to think that there's less transactions more recently, but let's look at this again. Yeah, it looks like this is unordered. Let's see if we can sort that in some way. df.sort values. That should do it. By, I don't know if that would be considered the index. No. Sort values got unexpected argument. What? Let's just do index. There we go. That is not correct. It's almost correct. It's doing something slightly wrong though. Let's convert. Let's see what the index actually is. Maybe let's reset the index so we just have an easy to use. Yeah, okay. Let's sort by the index. Sort values. That looks more correct. I don't know why we're missing January though. In that first one right here. Okay, well, we can at least plot that now. X equals index, Y equals first active month, I think. There we go. That looks kind of reasonable because I'm assuming that there's more people signing up as the service is getting larger. I don't really know a ton about ELO. I should probably do some more research on that. But once you get to recent enough, then that number drops off, which kind of makes sense. Yeah, so that's decent plot. Let's see if we can get it to do some labels though. So it's going to be maybe it's the X ticks. I'd have to assume it's the X ticks. Sure. We'll try that as X ticks equals index. No, wrong. Labels, maybe? Oh well. We'll skip that. We know what it is. We're doing okay on the stream quality, looks like it. Okay. Well, looks like I am going to have to cut this one short. Gotta go pick up my brother. But I'll be back. So we'll continue this in a second, but I've got to go pick my brother up real fast.